Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Today I want to show you how to do a super stretchy bind off. I'm currently finishing up the Hug Shot shawl by Casapinka that I showed you guys the other day, and I've started my bind off. Basically in the pattern it says bind off loosely in the pattern. I have a hard time binding off loosely, but I have found a way to do this that ends up with the pattern being stretchy. I don't know if you guys have ever had this problem, but when you do the bind off in the regular way where you knit the first stitch, then knit the second stitch, and then take the first stitch over the second stitch, it can cause a really tight bind off. This one that I'm doing here that I'm about to show you results in a super stretchy bind off. As you can see, look how stretchy that is. And it's really simple. So, sorry, I'm about to lose my stitch here. Okay. What you want to do is, this is the first stitch, or the stitch I have from just binding off that last stitch. You want to go to your first stitch on the left hand needle and knit it through the back loop. Just like that. So now you have 2 stitches on your right hand needle. Then you want to knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. Like that. That's it. That's all there is to this bind off. So you knit the next stitch through the back loop. Then you knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. And that is all there is to it. How simpler could it be? I don't think it could be any simpler. Another thing about this bind off is that you can do it in pattern. I don't know how easy it is to see, but this next stitch is a knit stitch, and the stitch after that is a purl stitch. So I do have a knit purl pattern going on here. I could do this, bind it off in pattern. I could knit through the back loop of the first one, since that's a knit stitch, and then knit those 2 together through the back loop. The next stitch, since it's a purl stitch, what you want to do is purl it through the back loop, and then knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. And that's doing it in pattern, because you knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches, but it's only through the back. The difference with this bind off is doing it through the back loop. Anyway, what you get is the super stretchy bind off, and you just do this for the rest of the stitches that are on your needle. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them down in the comment below. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please press the like button. Help me get this channel going, and I hope to do more videos of cast-ons, bind-offs, other stitches, other projects I'm working on. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.